I can't believe this is legal. But here's how to get Canva Pro 100% free forever. Stuck on the left side of Canva? This is what free Canva looks like. Locked features, watermarked exports, limited storage, basic templates, manual resizing, no brand control. Now, this is Canva Pro. All features unlocked. No watermarks. 100 gigabytes. Storage. Premium templates. Magic resize. Full brand kit. Open a new tab in your browser. Type Bingo Tingo and press Enter. Scroll down until you see the section titled Best Social Media Platforms. Click this image inside that section. Keep scrolling down. Click the Download button. See? Finally, click Get Here. You did it! Free Canva Pro is officially yours. 3 quick things you can do. First, comment Pro below if you got access. Second, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss these tricks. Third, like this video, so YouTube shows it to more people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.